Everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA mini320 printer on your Windows, Mac, or Linux computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to look for the Canon PIXMA mini320 support. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be from a Canon domain here. This is Canon support for PIXMA mini320. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to scroll down on this page underneath software and drivers and expand that. Select the appropriate operating system if it's not automatically detected here. And then going to the third section, you can locate the software and driver results. Go down and select where it says My Printer. Go ahead and select the download button for that. And once it's done downloading, go ahead and open up that file to run it. Should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Go ahead and select yes. And you can close out of the web browser if you want. So it says, welcome to Canon My Printer Setup Program. This program will install Canon My Printer on your computer. Select Next. Select your region and then also your country. Select Next again. And now that we have the license agreement up, you want to select yes. And now that we are on this page, you can choose the destination folder or location if you want to change the default. Otherwise, you can just select next here and continue with the installation. And then you can create a shortcut on your desktop if you choose. Otherwise, you can uncheck that option. And then you would just select complete. And that's all you'd have to do. So once it's installed, you should be able to automatically detect the printer. Make sure your Wi-Fi settings are inputted directly into the printer if you have a display on your printer to go configure that. And if you're still having an issue, you can open up this utility we just installed and select Diagnose and Repair Printer. And it will walk you through steps about configuring your printer settings through the menus here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.